Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be looking at this Taylor GS Mini, Grand Symphony Mini. It's a beautiful guitar you can pick up at your local store or order online. Hey guys, I just wanted to thank you for coming back to the channel and checking it out. We have tons of great guitar videos for you today and from a very wide selection. So thanks again for coming back. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me some comments, some good feedback. Let me know what songs you guys want me to record next, and I'll put them out there for you. Thanks again. So the GS Mini is an acoustic electric. It has a chromatic tuner on the top with a volume and a tone control. And it's powered by two CR2032 lithium batteries. And they last for about 300 hours. So if you leave the guitar on, after 3 minutes, it will power off on its own just to conserve battery. So I think that's pretty incredible technology right there. So Taylor, was established in California, but this guitar was made in Tecate, Mexico. So the American guitars are all solid. Okay, that means everything about the top, sides, and back are all solid. So the top right here on this guitar is made out of Sitka spruce, and that is solid. Now you have layered sides and backs on this. And this is a layered mahogany. You have layered sides and backs on this guitar right here, and it's a walnut layer right there. It's not laminate. Laminate can be resin, glue, and hardly any wood at all. This is actual layered wood that is walnut, so it's quite a bit better than the laminate. So you also have an ebony fingerboard right here, and the neck is made out of sable, okay? All right, so the dimensions on this guitar are you have a 23.5-inch scale right here, and the nut up here is 1 11/16 inch wide. So you have 20 frets going down your fretboard right there, okay? The electronics is an ESB, so it's an expression system basic, okay? So this system has a piezo type design with onboard preamp, and it sits right here behind the saddle, okay? So that's where that transducer is located. The guitar comes with Elixir phosphor bronze medium strings, which I think sound great on this guitar. And another cool thing about the Taylor guitars, all of them come with their own case at no additional cost. So this particular guitar comes with a soft case. I think once you get up past the 200 models, they come with hard shell cases. So here is that soft shell case. It's very nice. It's got the two carrying handles right here, and you can also wear it as a backpack as well. So all in all, I think this is a very nice looking guitar. It's put together very well. The setup and the action on this is actually very good. It's easy to play right out of the box. So I believe it's about 550 bucks, and if you're sitting around playing or bringing it outside at a campfire or even as a gigging guitar, it's very good, I think, for the money. So let's see what it sounds like a little bit. sounding acoustic guitar. Like I said, it's acoustic electric, so you could record with it as well without having to mic it up. I think it's a great buy. The only setbacks I think about this for me is it's a little bit smaller, but I think it's still a good guitar. It's got about, I think, a 4-inch hole right here, and the depth is about 4.5 inches. So it still has a very big sound to it. You know, it's made in Mexico, but I also have other guitars that are made in Mexico that sound really good. There's always that stigma sometimes, American made versus Mexican made, and you know what, I think it was put together very nice. So I hope you enjoyed the little review today. Well, I'm sure we'll have quite a few more coming to you. I'm trying to figure out which guitar I'm going to buy next and which one I'm going to use for all these guitar tutorials with you here on YouTube. So as always, like, subscribe, and share these videos. Hit that notification button so you get the notification when I put out the next video, and we'll see you soon.